So we do have a gravity-fed watering system from the pond up at the back to water the gardens, and I haven't been getting water to it, and I think we just found the problems. Here we go. With my rapid fire motor mouth, I capsized the show promoter's house. Claim my coin and cop the case of cola. Off the train, Sylvania was soaking down. Have any tools on me? What do I do with my knife? Do it. Telling Kville cops that I don't have a name or occupation. That's when they lost the patience and brought me to the station for some cross-examination. I'm being held under wrongful suspicion, all bundled up in an awkward position. Till my man, the jailer, handed me a file. I filed the boss.
Let's go check and make sure that was the only leak. See if we're getting water from our spouts. There's a little bit of water coming out of it already. I left it kind of open. Give it a shot. It's going good. Piece of broken off hose in there to get it. Nice. Now we got water.